With COVID hitting us globally, what should businesses, what should individuals, what should people do during these times? What should you be doing for the next 1 or 2 years when industry is going to be struggling, jobs are going to be difficult? It's the right time to invest. It's the right time to invest in learning, in understanding new technologies, in being able to cope with what you're going to be facing over the next 5 years. It's time for people not only to look at how to manage in times of economic adversity, but to understand what's happening in new age business, how data analytics is playing a role. How is it that strategy is going to change today as compared to strategy when you had, sunshine sectors, when you had things doing well on economies. One good thing that's happened as part of COVID is it's taught a lot of people and a lot of businesses that not everything has to happen in the way it was happening in the past. A lot more efficiency can be obtained by doing alternate ways of doing business. All these are things that you can get by investing in a lot of education. So I would recommend that people enroll into programs teaching them about strategy, about business, about economics, about data, about artificial intelligence, about digital. With the top two industries of the past, mining and tourism, having really tough times, Goa needs to bounce back. What Goa needs to do is to have a very strong and aggressive economic revival plan. What's going to be important is short term while we are going to take a hit. Longer term, we must have Goenkars getting ready for industries of the future. When you find this revival plan is going to be targeting a lot of different industries, a lot more are going to be new age industries. We must have a local talent pool of senior leaders who are available to drive this industry. The GIM part-time program enables people to get insights into new age banking. We have outstanding faculty coming from some of the best universities in the world who understand what new age banking, how artificial intelligence impacts banking. We've already run the country's most successful big data analytics programs, as a result of which we have a lot of expertise in how data affects virtually every single part of business.